Hi, welcome back to another episode of But First, Coffee and Rocks with Josh and Casey Hawkins with Native Arizona Adventures. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. We got a wonderful episode to show you here. First, we're going to be cutting rocks, then we're going to be polishing, and then we're going to be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. These are rocks that we found on our last Lake Pleasant trip. On the important update video that we posted previously. Sorry about last week with the technical difficulties on the episode. We will never not pre-record again. We did that on the fly on that day, so it was kind of messed up, but it worked out. That's life. We're busy. We got a bunch of kids, so that's how life goes. Anyways, more back when we get out to cutting these rocks for you. All right, stay tuned.
Enjoy.
Yes. All right, the saw's all set up. We got our agates. It's time to cut them. Show you a little zoom in here on these beautiful babies. They're gonna have some amazing agate lines in there. There might even be a crystal pocket in the blue one. We will see. Moment of truth. Saw needs to be plugged in. Final step. The grits. Agates. Guys, we are on the final stages of polishing. We started at 50. We're all the way to 3,000. You could actually get another pad kit that actually goes up to 5,000 and 8,000. But it's kind of getting there. We got it up to 1,500, 2,000 right here. So yeah, it's kind of shaping up a little bit, and we will see how good they are here after a bit. Stay tuned. Well, we're all done here polishing. Just finished with the 3,000 grit. Took it from 50 all the way down to 3,000. Let's see what it looks like when it's dry. Check that out. More pictures in the agate reveal. The lighting's not that great, but There you can kind of see the polish. So, all right, guys. Stay tuned. These are going to be the agates we get rid of in the giveaway. So, you're going to have to like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a comment saying that you love these agates in the premiere on Sunday for But First, Coffee and Rocks. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to clean these up, brush them up with a little, toothbrush and soap, and call it a day. You guys have a wonderful night, and we'll talk to you soon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the rock cutting and the polishing. It was really fun, all the laces. So, in order to get some of these agates that I'm going to show you, you are going to have to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and then leave a comment on this video to be entered in to win these 6 beautiful, amazing agates that we cut in this video. So, drop that comment down below saying, I love agates, and see if you win the prize. Alright, first up, I'm going to show you on what we're going to be giving away in this video are, I'm going to gather them all up here. This one, this awesome slice out of the big blue. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of having a hard time focusing. It's like focusing on me. I'm gonna like get my hand behind it, she says. Alright. Still focusing on me.
Get your head out of there.
Get your head out of there. Still not focusing.
Yeah. I think you're just like approaching it too fast, but it's beautiful.
Anyway, you will see it in person if you win.
Yes, you will.
And the pictures are going to be better. You'll be able to see them even better. But anyway,
That's
that was one.
At the end.
So that's the end of what you saw in the update video. And that was the start. That was the first cut. And this one actually has like botryoidal bubbles in the blue if you look real close. And these aren't perfect. There's a little few scratches here. It's just hard to do this many and try to polish. This is part of the Thunder Egg, the Mushroom Jasper Rhyolite one here. So I'm just going to give you a little piece because I want to keep a few of the collection. Whoever wins gets a part of the collection that I'm going to save from this specific video and this trip. So I really hope you enjoy these agates. I know I did. I love just kind of looking at them closer in detail, and you can kind of just get lost in it. But clear pink one, and then the little piece that broke off, I still decided to polish that and give that away as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time on another episode of But First, Coffee and Rocks. See you guys next time.